Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 237,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.